Hi guys. I kind of I'm getting ready to have what's known as a fusion surgery. Now, people who know me, I don't talk much about it. It's like I've had some bad luck in the last few years, or not. It's not bad luck. It's just hell. When you get older, you start shit starts happening to you, right? I took a fall 4 years ago. 4 years ago, I took a fall and I cracked the femoral neck of my right leg. I broke my leg, and well, actually, I broke my hip. It's what the femoral neck, the part that fits inside of the whatever the hell it is, your hip. Which is sad because I used to take anatomy, but I have had a long road to recovery, and my back, I screwed my back up. I assumed when I fell, I messed a disc up, a vertebrae in my back, and I haven't gotten over it. I mean, it's been 4 years, and my leg, my hip seems to have actually, I mean, it seems better. I still have a little bit of pain, but not like it used to be. Since hurting myself, it's like I can't do anything. I mean, I'm a, I've always been a very hardworking guy. I like to do stuff. I like to keep things neat and clean, and I can't really do that. I mean, I can do a little bit from time to time. Thank God I have my puppies. My puppies are, they keep me entertained during the day, and they give me a reason to get out of bed, for one thing. But something that I stumbled into doing, and I have no idea. I watched a documentary on Jackson Pollock, right? And watching him, I thought, it might be good therapy. I mean, give it a try. And if I don't like it, hell, I can throw them away, burn them, do whatever. So my wife and I, my wife actually came home from one of the decorative stores, Michael's or Hobby Lobby, one of those type stores, with a canvas, and the first painting I did was just grays and blacks. It was just house paint, all it was, and that's what I wanted. I wanted to. I wanted something that just looked, that matched the walls. And when I got done, it actually, for me personally, for you guys, I'm sure it's not gonna, but for me personally, it invokes some emotion. I mean, unless you've actually done it and you understand what I mean, you don't have a clue what I'm talking about. You'll look at it and say, "What the hell? Who couldn't do that?" But the difference is, you didn't do it. I did, and since then, I have done several drip paintings, whatever you want to call them. This one, doesn't really have an official name. It's just something I did, and I like it. Now, don't get me wrong; it's not for everyone. I understand that. My wife, she claims to like it. As to whether she actually does or not, I don't know. We'll see. but I like it. This is the first one I did, which, like I said, was just to match. Was just the black and grays. It was. Don't ask me why. It's just like it's something that I could do, I guess, because my back and my hip, I can't do a whole lot. So I'm used to physical exertion. I mean, I used to exercise 7 days a week practically and work about the same. So, and this one I did. This one took quite a while, believe it or not. It's you can't really tell, but it's actually textured. It's impossible really to tell with the lighting the way it is, but that's fine. This one I really like, and someone, well, actually, a lot of people ask me, well, what do they represent? What do they mean? And to you, nothing. Probably nothing. To me, it dawned on me. Just one day, I understood what they represented to me. It's pain. Everything you see is pain. It's my pain. It's not your pain. It's my pain. And this was a way for me to kind of escape that pain for a brief moment, sometimes hours. This painting in particular, hours, because it took before there was any paint at all on it. It was I used drywall mud to texture and build little mountains and stuff all around it. And then it took a day or two to dry, and then I did the circular painting, which it's kind of mesmerized me too. But I find it incredible that I didn't even know what they represented. And I know a lot of people out there think he's so full of shit. Jackson Pollock was full of shit. Well, maybe so, but I mean, I'm not selling these paintings. I'm not pretending that I'm this artist of a higher caliber. But I do want you to know that if you're hurting and you want a release, this is something you can do. I did these actually. This one I mainly did in the garage. I had the garage, and it's like my wife was going insane. She's like, "Will you get that shit out of the garage?" But this one, for me, this one represents something that I've never done before. It literally represents art. The other two are just practice. This to me, I love that painting. But for those of you who want to know what it means, for me, it's pain.